Chickies, welcome back to Vlogtober Day 12. Today I thought we would do a really quick unboxing of my October Boxycharm. If you're not aware of Boxycharm, it's essentially a monthly subscription where now I guess they kind of bumped up the price. It's $25 a month. However, the value of the items inside the box well over $125. In case you're new here, I'm Christine. I'm currently participating in Vlogtober, where I will be uploading a video every single day for the month of October. I would greatly appreciate it if you please subscribe to my channel. I would absolutely love it if you'd be a part of the Chickie crew. Also, hit that bell to be notified of new videos. I did see a couple of spoilers on Instagram and I'm really curious to see what I ended up getting. So, we of course have the postcard. It's from the brand Iconic London and this is a Prep Set and Glow. It's Water Mist Original. It says shake well for even glow. Gently spray 12 inches away from your face with eyes closed. Applying this soothing mist before you moisturize and use to finish makeup. I'm curious because I tend to stay away from things that make me kind of like dewy, but ooh, okay, and it smells good. Ooh, do you guys see that? It has like a nice dewy look to it. Iconic London Prep Set Glow retails for $29. Next thing we have in the box, this is from the brand Hank and Henry. I know I received something from them last month. Slick With It Mascara Duo. Let's see. So here's the wand, and what is the other side? What is the other side? Is it like a fiber mascara? Oh, that's pretty nice. So the other side has a small wand, which is perfect for like hitting that bottom lash line. All right, okay, that's pretty good. Hank and Henry Slick It Mascara Duo retails for $19. It's from the brand Mellow and it's a tinted brow gel. And let's see. Actually, I haven't had a brow gel in quite some time and it's in the shade dark brown, so it's a perfect match for me. Okay, that's something I know I'm gonna get a lot of use out of. Mellow Cosmetics Tinted Brow Gel. This retails for $16. And Hollywood and Vine, it's a kohl crayon pencil in the shade black. Let's swatch this. Alright, fairly pigmented. Hollywood and Vine Velvety Touch Smooth Kohl Liner retails for $7. And last but not the least, which I'm really happy that I got this, it's the Dose of Colors Sassy's Sienna's palette. Ooh, I am excited to see what this looks like because I have never owned any Dose of Colors items. So this is my very first palette. Ooh, this is so pretty. Wow, okay. Let's do some swatches of these shadows. Okay, let's swatch it on my arm since we have some spray. Wow. Those are gorgeous. Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette retails for $32. I will be curating a look using these items that I received this month in Boxycharm and seeing how they work out, because sometimes, you know, when you swatch them, it's really different when you actually start to play around with the products. If you're not following me on my Instagram, make sure that you do, because I will have a look using these items up sometime this week. What was in your October Boxycharm? Did we receive the same items or did we get completely different things? I would love to get your feedback. I hope you enjoyed today's video and found it helpful. If you did, please make sure you give this video a like. Subscribe if you already haven't. I would love for you to be a part of the Chickie crew. Make sure you come back tomorrow for Vlogtober Day 13. Thank you, Chickies, so much for watching. Have an amazing day, and I will see you tomorrow for a brand new video. Mwah.